Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the timetable on the Singapore Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen and tap on Flight Schedules. Here you can tap on one way or return and then select the departure city and the destination. Select the departure date and the return date below and click on the search button. And then you will be directed to a website where you can check out the flight schedule and the timetable. So it might take a few seconds till it loads, but here it is. Here you can find the flights, and if you tap on the More Details button you can see the layover time, the flight number, and other options, or other options are also available, such as booking. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.